Alright, I wanted to give you guys a little better view of pulling the combustion chamber out of these Bradford Whites. So this is one I replaced yesterday. It's leaking. I want to keep the combustion chamber. I want to keep the bottom. I want to keep the burner assembly and the valve so I can use it to rebuild another one of these water heaters that's missing all that. And this is a much better view. I want to get these outside screws. And that's it, just pops right out. Okay, doing a service call. It's pretty nasty over here. So I'm gonna need some gloves. Doggies! Oh, this is super nasty. So this is didn't see any spark. How could he? How could you possibly see spark? Can't see it. Smells like shit over here. You can't see any spark because the something's shit all over the glass. That's the problem. Oh, thank God. So there's a break in the spark wire down there. So I saw it arcing. Let's see if I can. It's right there, kind of. These GoPros are pretty crappy at close-ups, but I'm sure you see it. I managed to get it lit, which is really good news, because, oh, is that, check it out, there's a dead rat right there. No wonder it stinks. Oh no, the valve is flashing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God, this is the grossest job ever. Alright. I'm going to try the reset procedure so I can get the F out of here. Okay, we're getting the F out of here. This is disgusting. But we got it. Reset procedure. Cleared it out. And it's lit, so we know what's wrong with the pilot light. And there's rat poison all over the place. And yeah, I gotta go, bro. On to the next one. You see that? A little dead rat right there. Is this nasty? Look at that. Hantavirus. Alright, we consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't thrown up in your own mouth.